Hackers watching your social media accounts without touching them? Check the description for an email for ultimate security expert who can protect you and hack for you. Pause, emphasize. Let's get real. Most people think hackers need your phone or computer to spy on your social media. Nope. Today I'm breaking down how they can remotely monitor your accounts without ever laying a finger on your devices. First up, why should you care? Remote social media monitoring is a serious privacy threat. Hackers can track your messages, steal your photos, or even impersonate you online. It's not just celebrities. Anyone can be a target. So how do they do it? Let's check out the tools and techniques. Number 1. Phishing kits. These are fake login pages that look exactly like Instagram or Facebook. You click a link, enter your details, and boom, hackers grab your credentials. Number 2. Keyloggers. These sneaky programs record everything you type, including passwords. If you download a sketchy file or app, you might install a keylogger without even knowing it. Number 3. Session hijacking. This one's wild. When you log into a social media site, your browser stores something called a session cookie. Hackers can steal these cookies through unsecured Wi-Fi or malware. With your cookie, they slip right into your account, no password needed. Let's break these down even more. Phishing works because hackers are masters of disguise. Maybe you get a DM saying, "Your account will be deleted, verify now." You panic, click the link, and hand over your info. Keyloggers? They're hidden, silent, and ruthless. Every key you press, DMs, posts, passwords get sent straight to the attacker. Session hijacking is like stealing a VIP pass. You're at a coffee shop using public Wi-Fi, and a hacker intercepts your session cookie. Suddenly, they're scrolling through your account as if they're you. Real-world consequence? A business owner's Instagram got hijacked. Hackers started DMing followers, scamming them with fake giveaways. Or an everyday user who lost years' worth of messages, photos, and contacts gone in minutes. So how do you protect yourself? Always double-check links, use strong passwords, and never log in over public Wi-Fi without a VPN. For the best protection fast, visit the link in the description to our top hacking expert. Pause, emphasize. Plus, like, share, and subscribe for more privacy tips. Pause, emphasize. Stay safe out there.